Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful sunny day in Stockholm, so I decided to have my coffee outside. I don't believe that it's finally sunny. It might be too sunny. My channel is not vlogging style, but today we are heading to the city for something very special and I would like to take you with me. It's a miniature expo and it's happening in Stockholm city in Scanding, Anglais, and I really would like to take you with me. I have heard a lot of exciting things about it. There's tons of artists participating and so like a lot of videos from previous expos, and I'm so excited to be there. I already know that I will want tons of things. I already know I want caviar. It's a Swedish caviar in a tube if you are not Swede, but I would love to have that. I saw it in one of the videos. I hope they have it now. Thing is, as a crafter, when I will go buy anything, I always think like, I can do this. I can do this and end up like with a million project and not buying anything. But this time, I wanna buy thing. I wanna support other artists. I wanna um, have things that I don't know I didn't make. Yeah, I'm going with the attitude that I will buy something more than caviar. So I want to buy things. I wanna buy things from artists, not like manufacturer. I don't know if they have like manufacturer things or everything handmade. But anyway, I would like to support other artists. So let's get dressed and see you in Stockholm. My daughter and I head to Stockholm to attend this special expo. I had no idea how big the miniature scene in Sweden, but trust me, we are about to find out. As soon as we arrived at the hotel, we were shocked. The lobby was packed. I never expected so many people to be into miniatures. We had to wait 45 minutes just to get inside. Like them? The place was huge. I thought we could see everything in 30 minutes, but nope. There were so many stands showcasing the most details and creative miniature I have ever seen. The participants were incredibly talented. Every tiny piece was created with so much details. From miniature homes to a tiny food. And speaking of food, there was so much delicious looking miniatures food. I almost wished it was real. They even had a competition for the best stand. And let me tell you, the winner totally deserved it. Just look at this. The level of craftsmanship is next level.
A wagon.
I went in with the attitude that I will not say, I can make this, and I will buy something. I bought more things than I expected. So yesterday was so much fun. Cookie and I had the best time of our lives, and I'm really proud of her. She's really mini me. She wanted everything in the exhibition, and she made a lot of requests. Like every time she sees something, like, "Mommy, can you make me this?" I felt like she is me because like when I go buy stuff and then I like tell myself I can't do them, but Cookie tell herself that Mommy can do them. But anyway, I end up buying some stuff and I wanna show you what I bought. cloth. I don't know if they are handmade or she just like cut them, like bought a big sheet and cut them. But there is like 5 colors. I don't know, is it printed? Yeah, anyway, I bought them because I thought they would be perfect for like curtains or tablecloth, because it's so hard to find cloths with small patterns. I bought those for me. Listen, I know I said I will not buy any manufactured things, but I couldn't resist. This is so cute. They are tiny wheels, and I saw a lot of possibility. Like I felt I can use them in a lot of things. They are 12 scales, which is the scale I use. They were a bit more expensive than I would like to pay. I also got some metal baking pots. They are metal. The price was so good. They were 10 krona each. So like I can't leave them there. I'm working on a project that I will need a lot of metal trays and baking trays and plates and stuff like that. I still need more. I wish they had more silver ones. Silver would be very useful, but they did not. So another thing I got, there were the stand selling vintage things, and I got this old flower vase. Like so cute. It's so cute. I really loved it. I don't know what I will use it for, but I'll find it someday. Cookie got this teeny tiny mouse, and she also got a cat. This mouse, she just got it. She got it from the same place I got this vintage flower vase. When she asked like how much it cost, she just gave it to her. It's made of pipe cleaner, but it's so cute. The cat, on the other hand, we actually bought it and the prices was very good in this expo. I really was shocked how cheap the things are, or affordable. Usually when I buy things from craft stores, 90% of the time I can't afford it. It's very expensive, but in this expo prices were so good. If you are curious, his name is Maurice. This cute cat comes with a piece of paper that states his name, his personality. I think it's a very nice touch to add. So, and she liked it. She liked to know that he liked to do this. I don't know, like, you know, children fantasy. We also got dust bears. We got a brown one for me and a pink one for Cookie. I got this phone. It's metal. This is how phones look like when we were little. The old people. So, oh no! It broke! It broke. But it's fine, I can fix it. It's hard to see when my hair is black and the phone is black. Even if I can make books, and I make decent one, but Cookie wanted books, so I got her those. They have real pages inside. That's nice. And they are white paper. So she got 3. I said she can have 1, but she was like, I want to stack them, so I got her 3. This is also for Cookie. This is a drink floaties or just a floaties, I don't know, but she wanted it and I got it for her. She got more stuff than me. And in the last stand we visited, couldn't visit the whole thing. Cookie got a basket and pitcher. I got a picture too. She got this cute heart. I don't know what she wanna use it for. She got a set of balls, ice cream ball, and finally they had a section for misprinted stuff, which I thought is very cool to have. I thought like if it's like broken, I can use it in an abandoned house or something. But Cookie found some candles. But my favorite thing that I really was interested in is those light switches and outlets. I thought I can do a lot with them, so I got a good amount of that. And that is everything we bought. For some reason, I thought I bought more. I noticed that the most crowded stand was the one they 3D printed things, and I have two 3D printer. I have a resin printer and a normal printer, and I use my normal printer a lot, but the resin one is a bit messy. So I used it once to try it, but I never used it again. I own it for maybe 2 years. So that stand motivated me to maybe try use it and print more things. There is so many possibility with resin. It's just like it's resin. So it can be transparent, and I can print things made of glass or windows, or there is so many possibility, and I am very happy I went there. It was very inspiring and very motivating. If you live in Stockholm, I highly advise you to visit this exhibition when it happens next time. And if you know about any exhibition for miniature or pottery, please tell me. I would like to go.